Hi everyone, today I am making an icebox cake which is popular in the Depression era. In the 1930s, it was very cheap, easy to make and doesn't need an oven. So these are the ingredients we are using today. This is evaporated milk, this is sugar, crackers crumbles, soda cracker. So first I am making a cream layer. So for this we have evaporated milk, sugar and vanilla extract. So now it's ready now. For next I have this container, and for the icebox cake, and the final step is this. So I am making a layer with the crackers.